What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Beige Jesus here with the new tutorial. I want to show you guys today on how to do this cool sunglass reflection transition in After Effects. So before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what's some more tutorials you might want to see in the near future. What's some more things you might want to see? Just let me know. I can cover it all. So let's go ahead and get into it now. So what you want to do first is open up After Effects, and once After Effects is opened up, create you a new composition and import your desired clips. Now once you imported your clips in, you're going to bring your sunglasses clip to the timeline and click the pen tool. Once you click the pen tool, go ahead and start masking out the lens. Now after you're done with your first mask, what you want to do is right click on the first mask and then click track mask. After hitting track mask, another pop-up window should pop up with the play head with the last frame and the next frame in it. What you want to do is click the play head. This usually works for clips that don't have too much movement. So if you have a lot of movement in a sunglass clip, it may be harder to track the mask, just an FYI. After hitting track mask, and if you feel like your mask went off a little from your desired path, you can hover over the keyframe and use the pen and selection tool to adjust the mask and then shape it out how you want it and press the playhead again. After masking and tracking the first lens, you want to repeat the same steps onto the next eye lens. After both lenses are masked out and tracked, bring in your second clip. Now what you want to do is put the second clip under your main sunglass clip, resize the second clip, and move it over one lens. I renamed the clips on my timeline so you don't get confused where things are going at this point and to follow along better. After adding in linear wipe, what you're going to want to do is click the timer on transition complete, as well as the wipe angle and the position tab on the clip. After lining up the specific clip to the frame of the sunglasses, copy and paste the same clip and rename it right eyeglass, and every keyframe that one has, set it and reposition it to fit on the other side of the lens. Now after that is completed, bring in a solid and make it match the glasses of the original frame by going over to layer, new, and then solid. Drag the solid over both eyeglass clips. Bring the opacity of the solid down to about 30 to 40% to give that reflection look. Now once everything is to satisfactory, render this clip out and then open up Premiere Pro. After opening up Premiere Pro, add the before clip and then import the transition clip. Once the before clip is added, click on the transition clip and click on the timers on position and scale. Scale up to a decent size and position as well. Go a few frames and then clip reset. You should witness a smooth animation. You can also animate the keyframes by adding easy ease. You can also add a little bit more bounce to it so it's not so sudden, as well as play around with the settings even more on your own to manipulate and pull this effect off even more. So in conclusion, this nice little effect is neat, to the point, and simple to do. And you can also, with the pen tool, manipulate multiple things to create this same effect on different windows or windshields or whatever you might want to put or make in your project. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and then please let me know other tutorials you might want to see down at the bottom in the comment section. I appreciate you guys for checking the video out, and let me know if you need more. Base Jesus out. Thank you guys again.